When I was on the placement, I did a variety of jobs. So some of these included writing letters to different ministers, writing letters to constituents, different jobs including writing reports. It was lots of different things, you know, to help out the constituency office and the government office as well. I've definitely gained a lot of skills from the scheme. It's definitely helped me, you know, with experience, knowing how to write formal letters, knowing how to write press releases and interacting with the public. It's certainly helped with that. A highlight had to be certainly sitting in on Prime Minister's questions during the day that the Chilcot report was released. It was certainly amongst a lot of things that happened in Parliament. It was, you know, certainly one of the great things that happened and that I could see firsthand. I'd certainly advise any student that's thinking of taking it that it's all about, you know, the experiences that you get from it. It's about throwing yourself into everything, because you learn so much about the way Parliament works, the way the Assembly works, the way everything works.